This is a how-to video for the Comfort Zone air-to-water heat pump. In this video, we will explain how the heat pump works and its features. The air-to-water heat pump provides heating and hot water round the clock for your home. It emits less CO2 and can be more cost-effective than traditional gas or oil boilers. Your air-to-water heat pump needs to be serviced once a year for optimum efficiency. CHI will do this for you. If for any reason the proposed time of servicing does not suit, please make sure to ring the CHI office to reschedule. The control panel on the Comfort Zone heat pump shows the indoor temperature. Use the dial on the right hand side to navigate the control panel. There is no need to go into operating info or advanced settings unless instructed to. Alarms will indicate if there is an issue with your heat pump. If this happens, please contact repairs at 01 640 3074. You may want to boost your hot water if you have additional needs after cooking or cleaning. To boost your hot water, select Extra Hot Water on the control panel using the dial. When the icon turns green, the hot water is being boosted. Hot water in the tank is automatically disinfected against Legionella once a week. If you have increased the temperature using your wall thermostats in Zone 1 and 2 and would like to speed up the rate at which it is reached, you can increase the fan speed. Select fan speed using the dial and select boost. Once the desired temperature has been reached, you can reselect normal fan speed. The settings on the following screens, such as hot water temperature, which is set at factory setting of 50 degrees, hot water priority, and minimum flow temperature, do not need to be accessed or changed. Changing any of these settings on the control panel may incur higher costs and is not recommended. There is no need to touch the pipework above the unit. It is solely for servicing and repair purposes. The heat pump switch is located close by the unit and must be left on at all times. Switching the heat pump on and off means you will have no heating or hot water. It will not work as efficiently and will cost more to run. The heat control switch supplies power to the secondary controller, which is the white box underneath. Do not switch this off. The controller shows two heating zones, Zone 1, the living space, and Zone 2, the bedroom area. The side panel on the right opens and you can switch between on, off, auto all day. It is not recommended to change these settings. Keep these two zones on constant on and control heat using the wall thermostats only. In the same space as your heat pump control panel, there will be a water tank and two isolation valves above it, which control the supply of hot and cold water to the house. You can cut off the water supply in cases of emergency by turning the valve to a 90-degree angle. This is your wall thermostat, which can be used to control the level of heat. There are two wall thermostats, one in each zone. To adjust the temperature, turn the dial. It is recommended to keep the thermostat at 20 degrees in the living spaces and 19 in the bedrooms. If adjusting, only adjust by 1 or 2 degrees, as it is most economical to try and maintain a standard room temperature of 18 to 20 degrees for long periods of time, rather than increasing and decreasing the temperature frequently. However, if you're going away for an extended period of time, turn the thermostat down to 15. Do not turn off the heat pump. The radiator can be turned on off using the knob, though it is not recommended. The radiators are low temperature radiators. You have two air vents in your home, one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom. These take air from the home to the heat pump, which converts it into energy and heat for your home. Do not twist or turn these. Do not cover them. This is the fuse board for your home. The heat pump is number 4 to 5 in case it trips, or you need to cut off power supply to the heat pump at a maintenance technician's advice. To recap, the air-to-water heat pump is an energy-saving and cost-reducing system. All settings are fixed upon installation. It is recommended that you leave the heat pump on at all times and do not adjust the temperature. If a fault code appears on your control panel, do not attempt to fix it yourself and instead call your housing officer or the CHI office.